In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create product bundles with variants in Wix. Start by opening your Wix website dashboard. Make sure you are already signed into your account so you can access your store settings and apps. From the left sidebar, click Apps. This will open the list of tools and features connected to your Wix site. Next, select Product Bundles. Inside the Product Bundles area, click Create New Bundle to start building a new offer for your store. You will now be taken to the Bundle Setup page. In the Select Bundle Products section, click Add or Edit Products. Choose the products you want to include in the bundle. If any of those products have variants, such as size, color, style, or other options, you will need to choose which variant options you want customers to be able to purchase as part of this bundle. After making your selections, save them to continue. Once your products and variants are set, move to the Bundle Price section. Here you can enter a discount percentage if you want Wix to calculate the bundle pricing based on that discount. You can also enter a specific bundle price manually if you already know the exact price you want to offer. As you adjust the pricing, review the automatically calculated details shown on the screen. Wix will display the cost of bundle goods, bundle profit, and bundle margin. These values help you confirm that the bundle price works for your business before you publish it. After that, go to the Bundle Info section. Enter a clear bundle name that customers will recognize in your store. If you want to make the offer stand out more, you can also add a ribbon label. Then enter a description to explain what the bundle includes or why it is a good value. Before saving, review the panels on the right side of the page. Check the Or Bundle Includes section to confirm that all products and selected variants are correct. Also review the Categories panel so you know where the bundle will appear in your store setup. When everything looks right, save or publish the bundle. Then preview your online store and make sure customers can view and purchase the bundle with the available product variants exactly as intended. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.